I'm Dave We Like, and welcome to my unboxing video of the Roku Voice Remote Pro. So there's a rechargeable battery and lost remote finder within here. It's going to work with Roku TVs, Roku players, as well as Roku audio. What's included in this box is the Roku Voice Remote Pro. You do get a USB charging cable. On the back side, we've got our various features here. It says hands-free voice through Hey Roku, just say that. Or you can also use the push-to-talk voice, as well as this does TV controls. There are personal shortcuts between the 1 and 2 button. There's the lost remote finder, private listening, and a rechargeable battery. So in the box, we've got our manuals. We also have the Roku Voice Remote Pro and the charging cable. The charging cable, USB, it is micro USB. This is our remote. We've got Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, and Paramount Plus. Pretty good selection. Of course, if we don't like any of those, we can do shortcuts to 1 and 2. So the most important part of this, some would say the battery functionality, having a nice rechargeable battery so you can't pop it out. Okay, that's very different from typical remotes. But I'd say it's this, the Hey Roku function, because now it's in off mode, turn it on, and you can talk to your Roku completely hands-free. You'd be like, hey Roku, where's my remote? And that's the microphone right there. So it'll find it for you. And that is what I'm looking forward to, along with some controls for the Roku Smart Home, which I have a lot to play around with in regards to that. So let's sync this up to my Roku Smart Soundbar. I've got the Roku Voice Remote Pro right here on my left. I'm gonna go grab my old remote and go to my Roku. So what we're gonna go to is Settings, Remotes, and Devices, Remotes. We're going to click on Add a New Remote, and it does have the microphone right there underneath the power button. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to hold down on this button right around here until it starts blinking. There it is. Okay, looks like it's pairing. Updating the remote. Looks like it's done. And hands-free voice is easy. So when the voice switch is on, you just say, hey Roku, and it'll listen and collect data. I understand. Continue. Your Roku remote can control the power of the TV. Yes, I would love for that. Yes, I have a Sony TV. How did it know? Point your remote at the TV and press the power button. I guess I have to turn it back on as well. So it looks like it's controlling the TV. Yes, I turned off the TV. Success, your remote is set up to control this TV's power. All right. So let's just double check with the volume as well. Mute it. Yeah, it muted and unmuted. So continue. All right, here we go. Here's the fun part. Hey Roku, where's my remote? That's where it is. I can hear it. Hey Roku, show me my front doorbell.
Showing front door in Roku cameras.
A little loud, a little loud. And that is loading my front door. Takes a little while. Oh, watch this. Hey Roku, turn on porch lights.
Okay, turned on porch.
And the lights are on. Did you see that? Hey Roku, turn off porch lights.
Okay, turned off porch.
Yep, all 3 of my porch lights have been turned off. Pretty sweet, huh? Hey Roku, make porch lights purple.
Okay, change porch color to purple.
All right, let's see if it did. Oh my God. Do you see that? It's Roku purple, bro. It's all purple. All 3 of them. I love it. That was so cool. Hey Roku, how you doing? Hey Roku, watch Unsolved Mysteries. Who doesn't love unsolved mysteries? Can I get a like for unsolved mysteries? Come on, come on. Anyway, I do wonder if you can say it a little bit more fluidly. Hey Roku, change to fail army. What? Okay, that was a fail. Hey Roku, watch fail army. I mean, that's pretty good. Hey Roku, turn to volume 2. Cool. Hey Roku, mute. Hey Roku, fast forward. Okay, so it is fast forwarding. You can see it jumping there. It just says fast forwarding, but it doesn't give me thumbnail. Maybe this is max. Hey Roku, fast forward 4 times. There it is. The thumbnails are popping up now. And it is fast forwarding faster, I'd say. Only 2 times, okay. Hey Roku, fast forward. Let's see what happens. Okay, hey Roku, fast forward. Hey Roku, rewind 3 times. Didn't catch it. Hey Roku, rewind 3 times. Just this message has got to go away. I don't know if it'll say 3. Yeah, it's saying 1. So you just kind of have to repeat yourself a lot. Hey Roku, pause. Well, I guess you have to stop it. Hey Roku, play. Hey Roku, pause. Okay, well that works. Hey Roku, find me Steven Spielberg movies. So find me Steven Spielberg movies, and I think that those are all Steven Spielberg movies. Good job. Hey Roku, Mortal Kombat. Boom. All right, so my TV is off. Oh wait, I left my Roku light bulb on. Hey Roku, turn off Nyla table lamp. Hey Roku, turn on Nyla table lamp. That's how it's done. TV's still off. TV's on. Roku light bulb is on. Hey Roku, turn off TV and Nyla table lamp.
Okay, turned off Mila table lamp.
That's off, but not the TV. I think the big thing is whether or not the microphone can pick me up if it's stuffed right in between the couch. Hey Roku, where's my remote? Oh man, it totally heard it. It's got to be around here somewhere. I wonder where it is. Hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty deep. Look at that. I like that. Well, no more lost remote, I'll tell you that much. So my TV is off now. I've got the remote, voice enabled. Hey Roku, turn on TV. TV is turned on. Boom. Let's power it off. See if it can load a channel from being off. Hey Roku, turn on TV and load YouTube. And there's YouTube. Couldn't be quicker than that. Pretty legit, huh? Wait a minute. Hey Roku, turn on TV and YouTube volume 20. There's no way I can know that many commands. Volume 20. But it didn't load YouTube. Hey Roku, show me fail army. Yeah, so from an off state, it looks like it turns on the TV if you just directly tell it to go and play some piece of content. Looks like it's fail army. My Hey Roku is on, turning it off. That's what it looks like. Turning back on. Makes that little nice chime noise. Hey Roku, play the Beatles on Pandora. So launches Pandora and plays the Beatles radio. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Roku Voice Remote Pro. I definitely think you need to pick one on up, especially if you have the Roku Smart Home. It's pretty awesome to control it this way. If you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comment section below, and make sure right now to check out the video playlist of all my Roku videos.